हलमा सैम की जानिब से दुबई के मार्को पोलो होटल में गाला डिनर का एहतमाम किया गया, जिसमें लैम्बोर्गिनी गाड़ियों की कंपनी के मालिक फैबियो लैम्बोर्गिनी मेहमान खुसूसी थे। उन्होंने दुबई में अपनी नई गाड़ियों को मुतारिफ करवाया। न्यूज़ अलर्ट से गुफ्तगू करते हुए उन्होंने अपनी नई आने वाली गाड़ियों के बारे में बताया।
Lamborghini is also today is a very great brand, very appreciated a lot of in the world. And 1 month ago, actually the first Lamborghini hybrid for production, and next time also total electric. Lamborghini brand is a futuristic brand, not only for design but also for technology. From 1963, also today, Lamborghini is advanced.
I love this story because I know Fabio Lamborghini throughout my first interview for my magazine, and I loved this story so much. And I told I want to celebrate this history called in memory of Ferruccio Lamborghini. I'm in Dubai because many people ask the Lamborghini supercars. I introduce my made in Italy artists like the Walter Di Francesco's magician, VIP artists, luxury events, and many painters here because dedicated to Ferruccio Lamborghini their performance.
I am very happy tonight. The best mentalism for the people. I love brand Lamborghini.
Yeah, this event organized by me, and I thank you to Deborah. She chose me to do for her something to organize this event, and thanks for Mr. Lamborghini to come here in Dubai and give us a great time. So I am happy to serve them here.
इस तकरीब में अदाकारा सारा थॉमस और MS खान ने भी शिरकत की, जबकि दीगर मेहमानों में शहनशाह ज़ैदी और बू अब्दुल्ला भी शामिल थे। अब्दुल फहीम, न्यूज़ अलर्ट, दुबई।